In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a short vocal recording into a full instrumental track using the audio upload and extend tools. To get started, record a short and clear vocal clip on your phone or your computer. This clip does not need to be long, but it should be easy to hear and free from too much background noise. A simple melody, a hummed idea, or a sung phrase works well. Try to record in a quiet space so the system can focus on your voice more accurately. If you are using a phone, hold it at a comfortable distance and avoid touching the microphone while recording. If you are on a computer, use any basic recording tool that gives you a clean audio file. Once your vocal clip is ready, go to the Create section and choose Upload Audio. This is where you will bring your recorded file into the platform. Select the audio file from your phone or computer and wait for it to finish uploading. Make sure you choose the correct file before moving on, especially if you recorded a few different versions. It is often worth listening back to your clip first so you know you are uploading the strongest take. After your audio has been uploaded, the next step is to use Extend. This is the feature that takes your short voice sample and develops it into a fuller musical piece with instrumentation. In other words, it uses the musical idea in your recording as the foundation, then builds around it to create something that sounds more complete and polished. This is especially useful if you have a quick idea but want to hear it expanded into a richer track without having to produce everything from scratch. When you use Extend, give the system a moment to process the sample and generate the result. Depending on the original recording, the final track may lean in different musical directions, so starting with a clear and confident vocal idea can help you get a better outcome. If your first result is not exactly what you wanted, it can help to go back and upload a cleaner or more expressive version of the same idea. That's the full process